be preparing a meal prep. I will be preparing some turkey legs, baked turkey legs, some salmon, some greens and turkey wings, and I believe there's another item I'm supposed to be preparing today, but it's quite a bit, so let's get started. I have some collard greens in the pot, and along with some turkey wings. Here I have already prepared those. Prepare some baked shrimp. These are some large shrimp that I have in the bag here. I just took them out of the freezer. I just added that adobo all-purpose seasoning to the turkey legs. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them. I'm gonna let them sit on the counter for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna wrap them and then bake them in a 375 oven for about an hour. So I'll let you see that when they come out of the oven. I'm gonna use the same seasoning on the shrimp. I'm gonna leave the tails on the shrimp. So and let it marinate about 20 minutes and it'll be ready to go in the oven. All-purpose seasoning I used on the shrimp. This is how I'm gonna wrap these turkey legs. Parchment paper first. Those. Wrap them like that. This will seal all of the juices inside of the turkey leg. Fold it up, wrap it up really tight. And there's your turkey leg ready to go. Take this in and just roll it really tight. Add it to the aluminum foil. Like that. Keep rolling it really tight. It's when you buy these in the restaurant, you know how juicy they are because they prepare them this way. So the juices will stay in the turkey legs. Okay, so you can make these at home. You go out to buy these, they are probably close to $8 each at some of these amusement parks, but you know, sometimes you got to pay a little bit more just to get the kind of food you want when you're out having fun. De-shell these shrimp. They're supposed to be already deveined, but so far I haven't seen anything that I need to take out of them so far. But I'm taking the shell off of them. I'm gonna cook everything on this one pan, but I'm gonna set the timer for the shrimp. Probably be the first thing coming out of the oven, and also the salmon. I'm gonna do salmon on this tray as well. this is everything I have on the tray that I'm gonna place in the oven. I'm gonna cook the shrimp. I'm gonna cook everything on 350 degrees. The shrimp is coming out in after 15 minutes. The salmon is probably gonna come out in 15 minutes. This is frozen, the salmon is. I just added the same seasoning I used on the turkey meat and the shrimp. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little pepper to the shrimp and just a little bit more salt, and I'm gonna use some grapeseed oil on the shrimp. Then I'm gonna use avocado oil on the shrimp. Avocado oil on the shrimp, and then I'm gonna use some on the salmon as well. Let me just rub that in a little bit. Okay, I took the shells off the shrimp, so they are ready now to go in the oven. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. This is my meal prep for today.